Hi guys, so today it's another early morning video, but I'm running late, so let's get to it. We're gonna do purple, and then we're gonna do not orange, yellow, and yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna take this pink as a transition color, and probably not this brush. This brush. So it's pigmented, but it's clean. So now we're gonna go with this purple, and we're just gonna like slap it on there because I don't have time. So I don't know how one eye came out better than the other, but we're just gonna ignore that. And we're gonna put on this darker purple just to deepen up that color and basically do the same thing. So now that we have that on, we're gonna go with this color, and it's gonna be our highlight right there. So I'm going to do my brows and my liner, and then I'll be back because it's looking a little bit wild, so yeah. Alrighty, so I want to be like very glowy because it's raining outside. Y'all can't see this, but it's raining outside, so I gotta be the sun. But I'm gonna take MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Global Glow, and then I'm gonna put something else that's a whole lot brighter on top. I like putting one like shinier, what's it called, highlighter on before putting on my very bright highlighter, because I feel like it blends a whole lot better into the skin and I don't look like I just have like a blob of bright, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I got that on. Just make sure it's blended. And then we're gonna go, I still love this thing. It's from Wish. It's like $1. And yeah. Got like barely on it on my brush. Bam. Glowing. And then I think I'm gonna rush out of here really quick. My hair's not even fully dried. Okay. Let's see, for lips. I think I'm just gonna do a lip gloss. I don't really, it's pretty bold as is, so yeah, let me find that. Alrighty, so I'm gonna try to do something, and actually I'll zoom y'all in. So I have a liquid matte lipstick, and I have my MAC lipstick, and I'm gonna do like an ombre effect. So yeah, I'm gonna try. Alright, so this I got from Wish, and it's the shade 2, and this one is Chains from MAC. My nose is all stuffed up. And Creme Brulee from NYX. So this is a look. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share for more, and definitely check out my channel. I think I have like 80 videos at this point, so I'm excited. I'm very happy about that. And yeah, oh, I need setting spray. It's raining, so I don't have my fan. Okay, so with the setting spray, I use Wet n Wild setting spray instead of my e.l.f. setting spray over there, because the e.l.f. setting spray makes my face like swell up and everything. I don't know if I said this in a different video, but like, saying it now. So it makes my face swell up, and it's not fun, and then it cracks and peels all right here, and it's still actually cracking and peeling a little bit, and it's a mess. So yeah, I just use this stuff, and should be good. I mean, hasn't gotten me like anything so far, so yeah. And that's the end of the video. I gotta go, so bye. Thank you for watching. I done messed up my outro. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.